पीयूसी इम्तिहानात के नताइज में फैल्कन ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन को मिली बड़ी कामयाबी। फैल्कन ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन की जानिब से मनाया गया जबरदस्त जश्न।
हर साल फाल्कन के दामन में बाहर आती है और हमेशा हम जब रिजल्ट को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, हम हमेशा नीट का गैर मामूली जो रिजल्ट आता है हर साल शाहीन फाल्कन का, और सीईटी का जो रिजल्ट आता है, जेई का रिजल्ट आता है, हम वो सक्सेस को हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। लेकिन पहली मर्तबा फाल्कन अपने दामन में पीयूसी सेकेंड ईयर का जो बोर्ड रिजल्ट रहा है उसको हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये रिजल्ट ही इतना गैर मामूली रिजल्ट है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, एक नहीं, दो नहीं, चार नहीं, 10 नहीं, कई more than 100 students have secured more than 90% performance in the core subject, which is very difficult. ये साल स्टेट का एवरेज रिजल्ट has come down, valuation was tougher, papers were more tricky, but Falcon result has improved. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, ये बच्चों की मेहनतें हैं, टीचर्स की काविशें हैं, पेरेंट्स की दुआएं हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, उसका बरकत, उसका नतीजा हम देख रहे हैं। ये गैर मामूली नतायज आ रहे हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, मैं कांग्रेचुलेट करता हूं पूरों को, जितने पेरेंट्स हैं, उनकी उम्मीदें जो भी बच्चों के साथ जुड़ी हुई थी, जो उनकी ख्वाहिशात थी, अल्लाह उनका अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह ने लाज रखी, बच्चों की मेहनतों की अल्लाह ने लाज रखी, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये नतायज अल्लाह हम तमाम को देखने का नसीब कराए।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। I am Samiha Falak from second PUC Commerce. Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy today. I'm successful in my life, and there is a quote saying that you are exactly at the place where Allah wants you to be at this moment in your life. Everything you experience is a part of His precious plan, and Alhamdulillah, I'm very thankful to Allah that I'm the student of Falcon Group of Institution. I want to express my gratitude towards my teachers by saying few lines in Urdu. Thank you extra efforts के लिए, बिन मांगे दिए लेक्चर्स के लिए। कैसे आगे बढ़ना है, हमें कतई नहीं डरना है। एग्जाम क्लास का हो या जिंदगी का, हमें सभी ही पास करना है। सिखाया बहुत कुछ, पढ़ाया बहुत कुछ, हम ना समझते तो समझाया बहुत कुछ। सिर्फ टीचर नहीं, आप फ्रेंड बने, हर मुसीबत का एंड बने। I really want to thank to all of my teachers for supporting and guiding us. Thank you.
I would like to thank all of the teachers, all of the staff, all of the teachers for all their support, for all their hard work. I would also like to thank Subhan sir for his support, even Salman sir for the support for the entire 2 years. Very, very big thanks for that.
All the praise to the Almighty that I have the opportunity to stand here. I want to thank all my teachers for all the support and the guidance they have given us. Thank you would be a very small word, but that's all we can say. So it is really I am very happy to stand here in front of sir to score this marks beside NEET in board exams. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm very thankful for the honor and the result. It was a very glad moment for all of us and to me also. And it was very difficult because we were in an NLT batch, and at last preparing for the subjects also, at a sudden we didn't got more time than a week. Alhamdulillah, because of the teachers and faculty that supported us very well, and they found a very way to support us. Alhamdulillah, because of the efforts of the teachers and little efforts of us also, we have achieved this feat. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, I am very glad to be here because of the efforts of the teachers and for my hard work. Alhamdulillah, I am today here, and I am very thankful to all the teachers who encouraged me and who motivated me to achieve this. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah, I have achieved with 97% in my core subjects. I thank the Falcon Group of Institutions, and I am very glad to see the efforts of the Falcon Group of Institutions teachers. I am very proud to have those teachers in my life. So very thankful for this Falcon Group.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था, और मैं एग्जाम में बहुत कुछ हासिल कर लिया मैंने सलमान सर के वजह से और सुभान सर की वजह से. Falcon is very best really. You can achieve anything in Falcon. It's very good. You should have confidence in yourself, like to achieve nice good marks like this. Thank you very much, Salman sir. Thank you. Subhan sir, thank you.
Presidency, it was not that good, so I came to Shaheen from the Salman sir's Falcon Pew College. It is very helpful for me. I got 97 in maths. Thank you for Kempanna sir for all this.
I got 87 in overall percentage. Thank you.